February 24th, 2011. This is today's climate change update. We're going to start with scott.net tonight. Earth changes. Canada, small quake rattles southwestern Ontario. Now, no injuries were reported or damage, but they definitely felt a 3-point quake on the Richter scale today. U.S. Lake Pillsbury, California area hit by 4.3 magnitude earthquake on Tuesday. Apparently they had a little earthquake storm, shallow enough to be felt. More seismic monitors to be installed in Arkansas. Apparently the quake storms continue. They're going to put in some more monitors and investigate further. I'm not really sure. I got a 4.6 magnitude earthquake in Laos, Thailand. And let's see, the Christchurch earthquake death toll rises with hundreds still missing. They have videos on here of the aftermath, people getting rescued, and all the chaos that is Christchurch right now. And then they have a story approaching active region on Seoul, more geostorms on the way. A significant active region is about to emerge over the sun's northeastern limb. The underlying sunspots are not yet visible from Earth, but the region's towering magnetic canopy is already in view. NASA's Solar Dynamics Observatory took this picture during the early hours of February 23rd, and they have a very nice picture on here. And now Dutch Sense put out a video today on a volcano activity in Nicaragua. I'm going to go ahead and read from that. An earthquake measuring 5.4 on the Richter scale rocked on Tuesday night along the Pacific coast of Nicaragua. Reports of casualties or damage according to preliminary reports issued in Managua, Virginia. Tenorio, a seismologist of the Institute of Territorial Studies, said that the quake occurred at 21:01 or 23 hours in Argentina at the volcano located in the northwestern province, about 160 miles from Managua. So I will attach the link below. He said he attached the link to a Spanish story that broke this, but actually, sorry Dutch, it's an Italian story. Just a minor little fluke there, brother. And so we have another volcano gearing up in Central America. Now over on the Extinction Protocol today, they have another story. Dozens of dead baby dolphins wash up on the U.S. Gulf Coast. I reported on this a couple of days ago. They still haven't got any preliminary cases, but reports say it's too early to tell if there is a connection between the deaths and last year's BP oil spill, what's happened during the dolphins' breeding season. The dolphin deaths are the latest in a series of mass animal deaths from around the world. That's from the Mirror. And they have a video attached, of course. Bolivia, South America, devastated by landslides and flooding. State of emergency. Over 50 people have perished. At least 50 people have been killed and tens of thousands left homeless after torrential rains hit Bolivia. Spanish news agency reported on Tuesday that the government has declared a state of emergency after flash floods and landslides swept through the country caused by heavy rain that has continued since the beginning of the year. And the story continues. Thousands protest higher food prices in India. Thousands of people have gathered in the Indian capital of Delhi to take part in a rally to protest against rising food prices and unemployment. Here we go. A steady stream of protesters carrying red flags have been marching through the streets in central Delhi since early morning. The rally has led to a massive traffic jams in the city. Trade unions who've called the rally said nearly 40,000 people will attend a meeting at the grounds, and then thousands will march to Parliament. Then they've got fear peace expert, fear New Zealand type earthquake could destroy any modern city in the world. No kidding, that big, that shallow. And they have a story here, is a thermal anomaly developing Kur's volcanic archipelago. Just east of Russia and north of Japanese lies a long series of island volcanoes called the Kuril chain. Over 50 volcanoes which stretch for well over 1,300 kilometers in the northwestern Pacific Ocean. At the southern end is a bizarrely shaped rectangular of Ostrov Shikotan, and the winter icy water swirl around the snow-covered terrain. Is the underwater anomaly in the north side of the island keeping the icy waters at bay. And they've got a picture here of a snow-capped and then a big melted spot up on the northern side of this island. So they're suggesting that there's some more volcanic activity gearing up there. And then over to Disaster Alert Network today, finally. Powerful winds to hit Western Australia as Cyclone Carlos passes through. And that's just an ongoing situation for Australia. There's a lot of people covering this story. Flash flood Pacific Ocean, West Philippines. More than 100 people were evacuated to safer areas after flash floods hit the southern Filipino city of Dipolog. And they've been having continuing problems all season. That's about it for today. And again, if I missed anything, please let me know. Until tomorrow, enjoy while you can, everybody.